In this tutorial, you will learn how to use one of Create Studio's AI features to crush this Coca-Cola can.
With the 4th of May approaching, I wanted to make a fun video where Jedi Danny demonstrated his use of the Star Wars Force to crush an object. Keep watching and we'll show you how.
Patrick, I am your father.
Well, that's not creepy at all.
This is Randy
And Patrick!
with Create Studio 4 tips. The way to crush a can is to take a series of pictures of a can that you are manually crushing.
I watched Randy do this. He covered a kid's table with a white tablecloth and used his iPhone in his living room to take the pictures. It wasn't difficult at all.
That's right. Several years ago, I needed sophisticated lighting and a green screen to do something like this, but no more. Create Studio makes it so easy that anyone can do it today. The tip is to use the AI Toolkit in Create Studio 4. You can find the toolkit by clicking on the AI bot that you see above the timeline to the far right. From there, you can see 6 AI tools available. The one to use for this project is the Background Remove tool. It claims that you can remove the background from any image. So, let's go to the Media folder and import an image.
Select the folder holding the image and click on the image. Next, click on the Open button and the image will be added to your media.
Drag the image onto the timeline. In this image, you can see some embroidery on the tablecloth, and I see there is some kind of stain on it. In the background of the picture, there is a couch. I wonder if all these things will interfere with the background removal.
And I wonder how many AI credits that is going to cost us? Oh, that's right! Here at Randy's Tips, we spend our AI credits, so you don't have to.
Let's find out. Open the AI Toolkit and select the background removal. Okay, it looks like we need to select the image before it can work. So click on the image so you can see the yellow outline. Now, click on the background removal button. The pop-up says, "Our AI system will attempt to automatically remove the background from the select."
Whoa! It also says no credits will be used. Is that true? It is free?
Well, let's find out by clicking on the Remove Background button. Since it is free, I am not sure what kind of quality to expect. Okay, it seems like Create Studio needs to download its background removal engine the very first time you use it. I'm going to fast forward through the download process. Once the engine is loaded, then you can see Create Studio is running the engine because the icon is spinning around. That's your visual cue that the background removal is actively working its magic.
It is taking a while. Maybe we should cut to an image saying 2 hours later.
While I'm hoping this won't be a 2-hour wait, I would much rather it take the necessary time to deliver a truly high-quality image of the can. Normally, I would fast forward through these less exciting parts, but I want to let this run in real time so you can see exactly how long the background removal process takes. Keep in mind, the processing times can vary depending on your computer's speed and the complexity of the image itself.
Wow, that looks great. The couch, the table, they're all gone.
I am blown away. Create Studio's background removal is seriously impressive. I've wrestled with other tools that just couldn't get the edges right, but Create Studio nailed it with such ease and precision. The results are top-notch. Those sharp edges are a game changer compared to the fuzzy mess I've seen elsewhere.
So how long did it take Create Studio to remove the background?
For this image, it took 42 seconds, a very acceptable time. Now it's time to import the picture of the second can where it is starting to be deformed. Drag it onto the timeline or canvas and select the background removal tool. Oops, I need to select the image first. This image took 40 seconds to remove the background, and I will fast forward.
At this time, we will jump to the point where Randy has loaded all the Coca-Cola cans in various stages of deformation, and he has placed each image onto the timeline. Hey Randy, why don't you explain how you converted the images into a video?
Sure, the first image I used was of the can without any crushing. The duration of this image can be any length you need. In this case, I set the duration to 6 frames. You can move forward 1 frame at a time by clicking on this double triangle icon. After 6 frames, add the next image that has a small bit of deformation to the can. The duration of this image is 5 frames. Add the next image, which has even more deformation to the can, and set the duration to 4 frames. Keep adding the images of the can in the order of deformation with a duration of 3 frames each. On the last frame, where the can is totally crushed, the duration should be much longer. Okay, let's play that and see how it looks.
Wow, you crushed it! See what I did there? You crushed the video and you crushed the can.
Yes, Patrick, very clever.
Hey, Randy, do you suppose that your pictures of a single can were too easy for Create Studio? What if you tried 2 cans?
Looks like 2 CoCams is no problem for Create Studio.
What about 2 cans and a bag of chips?
Create Studio will handle this image as well, but you are making me hungry.
What about 2 pigs and a donkey?
What? Oh, that is amazing.
What about somebody that had a really bad hair day?
This is a tough image. I see some artifacts in the hair due to the fabric of the couch, but still, this is amazing.
What if the person having a bad hair day is my dog?
No problem.
What if my dog is on the lap of some random stranger? Oh, look, Create Studio got rid of the strange man.
Quite impressive. And that is the last time I will let your dog sit on my lap.
Well, friends, as you can see, Create Studio does an excellent job of removing the background of images. Hey, everyone, have a good day and happy creating.